How to create a website on WordPress. This is going to be a detailed video regarding this, so let's get started with me on this. So in case if you want to get a website and looking for a way, I personally prefer or use WordPress. I've been using it on my own blog as well. I'm going to show you my blog as well, and then I'm going to show you what Google has said and what's ChatGPT saying. So this is my own blog, and I've been using it WordPress from the last 4 years. And before that as well, it was using WordPress as well. So it's not like from last 4 years, but typically from 2015 to now, so it's more than 11-12 years I'm using WordPress. My experience is very good. So why WordPress? If I ask Google, the Google AI says that WordPress is a popular choice for website creation due to its flexibility, ease of use, and vast community support, making it suitable for both beginners and vast experienced users. It's free and open source. Flexibility, customization, ease of use, everything is a lot. With open source community support, WordPress is free and open source, which is very good. And if I ask the ChatGPT for this, they said that the WordPress powers 40% of all the websites on the internet, which is a great number. They could provide you with 60,000 plus free plugins, free and paid themes, and a lot of customization option, plus e-commerce, WordPress, SEO friendly, a lot of features, plus security, control, ease of use. So in case WordPress is a complete solution, and I highly recommend you to use WordPress. Now when you have decided to go with WordPress, now it's the time to create your own website. So for that you need a domain and hosting. For domain and hosting, I recommend you guys to use the Hostinger link, which is mentioned in the description of this video, along with a special discount link. So once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing deal running right now. So guys, what you have to do is to look around that the Hostinger is also being recommended by WordPress.org. They got amazing reviews, which are a few of the things which convinced me to opt for Hostinger to create my own website. Now looking around, these are the three most popular plan. If you ask me which plan is good, the premium and business both plan are very good. The differences between SSD storage and NVMe storage. NVMe is even faster than SSD, and with premium you have 25 GB of data and create up to 25 website. With premium business you have 50 website and NVMe storage. So yeah, even the 25 websites are good as well for an ordinary user. The main thing is between NVMe and SSD. So whatever your preferences, you can choose accordingly. And I recommend you guys to do select the fuel features and do a thorough comparison. So in case if you are already using another hosting company, and in case if you want to shift to Hostinger, Hostinger also has a free website migration service. So in case if you are an existing user, you can opt for that as well. Now to create your own website, you can choose any plan, and once you select choose plan with any plan, you will be landed to a special link over here where you can see that this is special exclusive link for my audience. So take the maximum out of it. I recommend you guys to take the 48 months because these prices won't appear again, and you have to pay a lot higher prices if you opt for the 1, 12 or 24 months. So my recommendation is to opt for the 48 months, but see your budget as well. After you select the billing period, select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with the special discount link. After this, simply select apply over here, and you're going to see that your price got a further discount. So a discount over here plus 2 extra months plus free domain, free setup, and 10% extra is going to save you a lot of money over here. And the 30 days money back is another great add-on. So for choosing WordPress, my Hostinger is my first preference, and because I'm personally using it on my own blog, which makes it my personal preference. Now after this, you may be asked to log into your account, but since I'm already logged in, otherwise you may be asked to log into your account via Gmail, Facebook, or you have to create your own account at Hostinger. After this, write your billing details over here. You can see the coupon code is applied to get your WordPress hosting done. So 30 days money back is included as well. After this, simply select the continue and move on to the payment methods. Another interesting thing, which inspired me to go with Hostinger is their variety of payment methods. You can pay by card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, and CoinGate. So you can choose crypto payments, Apple Pay, Alipay, Google Pay, PayPal, credit card. So you can choose any as per your convenience. After this, once you write your billing details, and simply select the submit button. Within few minutes, Hostinger is going to send you a detailed email with all of your account details to get started in creating your WordPress account. So after this, what you're gonna do is we're gonna log into our account. So you can see over here, I'm going to go move back, and I'm going to shift to my account over here. So they're going to verify, and then I'm going to be logged into the account. So let's wait over here to create our own WordPress website. So I'm being logged into their hPanel. hPanel is one of the industry's finest platform to create and manage your hosting. So now over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to manage my hosting from over here, and simply select the business web hosting is where I'm going to manage. I'm going to select WordPress over here. I'm going to see the WordPress over here as well. Just a second, and you're going to see that this is my WordPress account already being created over here. But in case they also provide daily backups as well, which is just amazing. Now in case if I have to create another one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move to the website. I'm going to website. In the website, I'm going to shift to the auto installer over here, and in the auto installer I'm going to select the WordPress over here. Now once I'm going to select the WordPress over here, after this the website credentials I'm going to write over here. For instance, I'm going to write ABC over here. I'm going to select my username, password, email address, and then for instance I'm going to go with something like this, which I can definitely cannot tell you, so I have to write it down as well. Just wait a second. So I have written a password to a safe location, and then they may be asked to my installation path. Okay, while creating my account at Hostinger, I can select my domain as well, and I'm getting a free domain, so you can use that as well, and you can choose a path. If you do not write any path, it will be installed on your own main domain, but I can choose a path over here. For instance, I'm going to choose a path over here as WordPress over here, because I'm creating this video for the WordPress. So I'm going to select the next over here. I'm going to save it over here. Okay, install WordPress. I can select my application over here. I can select my language. I can select my PHP version. I can select my application schedule as well, and I can then simply install it over here. So you can see that creating a WordPress website is very easy, and even a beginner or a newbie can do it. Just follow the instructions, specifically use the hosting link to create it, done, and you can see that how fast it's becoming, and within a minute I will have my WordPress installation done, ready. And then I have to customize my theme, landing page to get everything done. So yeah, just wait a second while it gets loaded and the installation takes place. So yeah, it's done, and I may also have got an email as well for this. So yeah, let's move back and check the email and get back to you over here. Let me open it. So yeah, this is the recent installation which I did, and I can see over here my WordPress over here. And for anyone who have to manage it, you just have to write WordPress or whatever URL and then WP admin. Wherever if it's installed, you just write this one, and you may be asked to move on to the login and password account, and I'm going to write and then login. So yes, this is I'm logged into my account. They are asking me to save. I'm not going to save it because so what I have to do is I have to move on to the appearance first, and I have to install a good theme. So now the good thing with WordPress is that you can add themes. These are the by default themes available, but I can simply add another theme as well. And they have ample of a variety to install. You can choose many themes they are coming for free. I can choose any as per what my store or website is going to be about on the WordPress. So the procedure is very easy. So let's say I'm going with this one. I can even simply install it, and you see over here they are asking me to the live preview as well, but let's say I'm going with this one. I'm simply activate it, and you're gonna see that I have installed it. Now I have to do the customization, and after I have installed it, let me refresh this page to see how it has changed my look for now before customization. So you can see that a slight change has been done, and I can see this. So I'm moving on to the customization to fully customize it. I think that a lot of work can be done in the customization, and still it takes years for improvement, but you can go with the right now this policy. So I can have my site name as WordPress. Let me help you with complete website. Okay, even for the complete website development solutions, we can help you as well. So in case if you have a site icon, you can have it, and site icon will be shown like this over here. Like for the Hostinger, you can see this edge, or for my blog you can see this. So this is how you can have your site installer. So if you do not have it, you can simply ignore it. You can publish it for now so that your change can be saved right now. After this, you can select your menus over here. You can create a new menu and show over here, and you can name it as main heading, and then You can show it at the header or footer where you want it. You can have separate for them as well. So you can see over here, you can add items like home page over here. You can add a sample post, but again you can customize it later on as well. So you can see that I can see my menu over here as well, like this and this. So yeah, after this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my home page settings, and I have an option over here that I want to create a separate page, a static page, or I can show my latest post as well, just like this previously. So I'm going to select the static one, so my this one remains very attractive, and I have my home page as well. So I'm going to publish it over here, and then I'm going to move back to my WordPress adminship over here, and then I can do a lot of stuff by going to the page. And in the page, this is my home page, what I'm going to see, because I have shift from latest post to home page. Now I'm going to refresh. So you can see a lot better version is being created right now. So now I can optimize my things over here. I have to create pages, I have to create about us page. Every page I have to optimize my logo over here. I have to create my contact us, everything page over here. And yeah, I hope you like it. You can simply add pages over here by going on to her and moving on back over here. So you may be surprised on my home page over, and you may be like, oh, this is very, no, this is not difficult. It's right now the quarter page is enabled. You can simply move over here, select the visual editor if you do not know this code editing, and you can see that this is now appears in front of you. So you can edit anything, you can write over here, you can write anything over here. Okay, I can write, use the link in description for Hostinger to get amazing discount. So you can see over here I can do the customization as well over here. So I can set my everything over here. I can select whatever my location is, and then I can simply save over here, and then you may see over here, you can see that I use the link in the description for Hostinger to get amazing discount. Everything is uploaded over here. I can also manage these images as well. What I'm gonna do is, for them I have to select this image over here, and I'm going to select the replace. I have an option of uploading. I can upload from a computer or anything, and for instance I can upload anything from over here, and it will be automatically replaced over here. So yeah, you can see that you can easily create a website. I hope you like this tutorial on how to create a WordPress website. So in case if you want hosting, make sure to click on the link in the description for Hostinger, which I have been using to create a WordPress website. My experience so far is very good, and I recommend you to use Hostinger for WordPress website. Use the link as coupon as well to get the maximum discount. And I hope you like the tutorial on how to make a website with WordPress. I try to explain. It's a beginner friendly, newbie friendly. Still, in case if you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video, or in case if you want us to create custom websites, me and my company can help you in that as well. But for that you have to reach out to us for this. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye. And let me move it over here. Bye bye.